Creating a new project. To create a new project, you first navigate to the Bids tab on the left. At this point, you want to search the application to make sure the project has not already been created. You cannot create a project with duplicate names, so if you try to create the project and you spell the name exactly the same way it is already created, it will give you an error saying project already exists. But just in case somebody has created this project and has spelled it incorrectly or added punctuation that's slightly different, it's good practice to search to make sure the project has not been created. In this case, we're creating a project named Ford Field, so I will type in Ford. You will also need to switch to all users, submit search, and you see there is not a project named Ford Field. At this point, we know the project doesn't exist, so we are going to click the Add New button in the top right corner. You'll see the Add New Project wizard. The required fields are highlighted in yellow. If you're on Safari, they will be highlighted in gray. The project name is Ford Field. The address can be entered in a few different ways. If you know the actual address, you can just type it all in here and click Show on Map. If you do not know the address, but you know where it is on the map, you can navigate to this map and click wherever that project will be. Whatever Google Maps has for that location on the map will be displayed here. At this point, it is still important to click Show on Map. If you do not click Show on Map, they will not lock the latitude and longitude in, and that project will not appear in the correct location. You also have the opportunity to add a bid date. It is not a required field, however, I strongly recommend always entering a bid date, even if you have to estimate, knowing that it's going to be in October in 2017, just pick a date in October in 2017. You can always come back and edit the bid date as many times as you need to. By entering a bid date, this adds the project to the bid calendar that you can locate on the home screen. The bid source will be a list that you provide to us that we enter in for you. These are things such as Dodge Report or I Square Foot. Salesperson will default to the person that you are logged in as, but you do have the option to change it to any other user in mobile sales. Plant name is also not required at this time, but you do have the option to select one. Project type is a list that comes from your production database, so yours may not look exactly like this. And project status. This is a standard list. Use it however you like. Lost and sold are important to use as the same. However, the rest can be used however your organization chooses. Once you're happy with all the information, hit commit. And you have created a new project named Ford Field.